Step 5. Measurement. General measurement. Distance, ellipse, annotation. To perform a measurement, tap the measurement icon. Select the desired measurement preset from the list. Distance. To use calipers, locate caliper to the first position and release it, and then drag to the end point. Ellipse. To use calipers, drag a caliper to the first position and release it, and then drag again to the end point and release it, and adjust the ellipse line by dragging. Annotation. To add texts, tap the text, then comment library appears. Select the desired text, then it's displayed. Or you can type yourself. And generate arrow. To delete all measures and annotations, tap Clear. Labeled measurement. We provide labeled measurement, which helps increase your work efficiency. Every preset has different labeled measurement. You can select more applications from here. To understand the function, let's practice several applications. 1. Thyroid volume in dual mode. Scan the longitudinal view and tap Dual button, then scan the transverse view. Freeze image. Enter measurement and select Labeled, Right, Thyroid. Measure length with caliper. Then the system gets ready for the next measurement, height and width in sequence. When the measurements are completed, the thyroid volume is calculated, and the result is displayed. The reason for using labeled measurement is not only the auto calculation, also for report. When go to the report, all values are already reported. 2. OB. We provide OB measurement for primary check. Enter the OB measurement and let's practice BPD and femur length. Select BPD and make a distance, then gestational age is displayed. With the same way, measure femur length. Don't forget to save images. And if you enter the report, all information is recorded.